If you own a DJI RC controller, you know how much of a significant investment it is to buy one of these. And the last thing you want is to accidentally drop the controller and crack your screen. And that's where this screen protector comes in, the Cynova tempered glass screen protector. It comes with this plastic template that makes it very easy to install and ensure that you're going to install it perfectly straight and with no bubbles. Now let me show you what you get in this kit. I've already installed the screen protector on my DJI RC controller, and I've been using it for about a year now, and it's been working out really great for me. But in the kit, you're going to get two of these. I only have one left because I used it. And then you're going to get two cleaning wipes. You get two dust absorbers, and I still have these because I applied the screen protector immediately after I opened it, so I didn't have to clear off any dust. The screen protector itself comes in a sleeve, and it has a protective film on both sides. That way you won't get any smudges on it while you are working on applying it. And this is a template itself. It has a QR code here, so they have a very good tutorial that you can watch online to show you exactly how to apply the screen protector onto your controller. This template makes it very easy to understand how to apply the screen protector. As you can see, you have these little plastic tabs here. You don't remove that yet, but you'll see this little notch right here. So all you got to do is line that up there. And now the screen protector is ready to go here. And then you take one of these and apply it over. It's a template and it'll fit perfectly into the grooves. And then once you've got that in place, you peel this side off and then apply it to the controller. Once you do that, then you peel this off and then remove the template. And then you take the remaining tab and peel that off. And what you'll be left with is this right here, a perfectly installed screen protector. One of the nice things about this protector is that it's not only protecting your screen, but it also doesn't degrade the quality of the screen. As you can see here, the quality comes through just as if this screen protector was not on it. So there you have it, folks. That is the Cynova screen protector for the DJI RC controller. It's definitely something that you want to invest in to be able to protect your controller.